Mountains of coal for Britain's power stations. Once all of this would have been dug from British pits, but not anymore. These days, bulk supplies from Colombia arrive by sea at the Clydeport complex at Hunterston in Ayrshire. The coal is quickly moved across the site to the automatic coaling station. But trains are needed to transport the coal to the power stations of Britain, and these EWS empties are about to make a rendezvous with that coal stockpile. When the empties arrive, the loading is rapidly concluded. The train does not even have to stop. Full to capacity, and the Class 66 accelerates away from Hunterston. 3 dozen loaded wagons carrying around 1,500 tonnes of coal. Heading now across the Scottish Central Belt and north over the Forth Bridge. Finally along the shores of the Firth of Forth to the gates of Longannet Power Station. Longannet once had its own pit, but now it relies totally on the coal trains. Unloading is just as rapid as loading. The yellow-painted machine is called a Dalek after the Doctor Who monster. It trips the hopper doors and the coal falls through to a pit beneath the rails. The coal is shifted by a conveyor belt to be burnt in the power station's steam turbines. The operation is called a merry-go-round because the train never stops, and another set of empties heads south for another load of coal.